Hi there, students. Hoary. Hoary. An adjective. Hoarily, the adverb, and even hoariness, the noun. Okay, we use hoary in two different ways. The first way is an adjective describing something that's very old, but you know it very well. Yeah, and it's not interesting or funny anymore. Yeah, so a hoary old joke. Yeah, it's old, familiar, and boring because you've heard it so many times. He trotted out the same hoary excuses of why he was late. Yeah, it's just what you say. The hoary conversation that always goes on between my grandparents. They always talk about the same thing. They always have the same conversation. Um, the hoary way politicians always do the same thing. Yeah, it's so a hoary old joke, something that's hackneyed, cliched. You've heard it again and again and again, and it's not funny. It's not interesting. Yeah. The other meaning of hoary is old and with white or grey hair. So I guess you could call my beard hoary. Hoary's like a white grey colour. Yeah. I think this colour that comes with age. So hoary. This definitely looks pretty hoary to me. Yeah. The hoariness of my beard comes from the years or from bad living, maybe. Okay, so hoary, grey or white, as if with age, or so old that something it's ancient. Yeah, it's not really interesting anymore. It's tedious because of the formality. It's stale. So I guess you could have a hoary old myth. Yeah, the hoary old myths that come from times past. Or he always tells the same hoary old stories. Yeah, I've heard them 1,000 times and they're just stale, boring, hackneyed. Yeah, I don't really want to hear them again. They're antiquated, antique. Yeah, there are many hoary myths about the macho-ness of men, but these are old and boring. They're antediluvian, archaic, yeah? So time-worn, as old as Methuselah. Yeah, they're just really old. Okay, so hoary, this grey-white colour of age, and just really old and boring. While I was making this, it made me look up the word Hoar, Hoar, not Whore, Hoar. And Hoar is actually a colour. It's a grey-white colour. And effectively, it's linked directly to the other. You also have a hoar frost. This is where everything's covered with ice, yeah, and it's definitely got this grey white colour, yeah, a hoar frost. Yeah, so a hoar frost is pretty hoary. It's white and it's probably as old as the hills. We've had hoar frosts for millions of years. Okay, next question. How formal is this word hoary? This is an unusual word. This is very descriptive, pretty old-fashioned as well. I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. Use it if you want to make a story or a writing interesting, but don't use this in an informal conversation. I think a lot of people are going to say, and what does that mean? Cliched, old, boring, or a grey-white colour. Yeah, I think I would use those informally. Okay, and then we need the origin of this word as well. Hoary. I think it comes from. I'm a little bit lost here. No, that's why I've lost my place. Okay, it comes from the Old English word har, and hoary, grey, old. Proto-Germanic hairaz, meaning grey. Yeah, so yeah, effectively Proto-Germanic, and maybe it probably even goes back to Proto-Indo-European. So a very old word. Yeah, hoary, grey, this grey colour, or something that's old and boring. It's antiquated. You've heard it a million times. It's as old as the hills. So there you go, hoary. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hoary.